Long time no see. Do you know why? This is why. Dun, dun. We're moving house. Actually, by the time you've seen this, we have moved house. We are moving out of London and moving to Essex. And so basically the past few weeks have just been manic, dealing with solicitors and whatnot, getting all that done. And then we've finally started packing, as you can see. I say we, Sean has been packing because I've obviously been working. I work 5 days a week. I don't get any annual leave apart from school holidays, so therefore I have had to work every day. And so yeah, but now we are finally moving and I've got the weekend now to help Sean pack as much as possible. And yeah, our house has a lot of stuff in it. We've got rid of a lot of junk, a lot of stuff we've been hoarding, mainly since COVID, where we were like, oh, we'll take this to the dump. Oh, the dump was closed because of COVID. Or we'll take it to the charity shop. Oh, the charity shops are closed because of COVID. And then they sort of just have sat in the loft. And we forgot about them when COVID ended. So then when it's come to now emptying it, we're like, oh my God, we meant to take that to the charity shop 2 years ago. So yes, a lot of rubbish in the house, which we have disposed / are nearly fully disposed of. And yeah, we are getting there. But yeah, so this is just going to be the beginning of the end of this house vlog. Can't believe we're finally moving out. We've been here for 7 years. When we moved in, it was an absolute dump. We've done a lot to it. It is now time for us to move on, especially now baby number 2, nearly fully cooked. So yes, I'm 34 weeks pregnant and we are moving house. So I'll see you soon, I guess. I'll see you in the next stage of our move. It's our penultimate night here.
Dun dun dun!
And I just realised this very second, I was thinking, what are we going to have on our last night?
Wave at the camera.
What are we going to have on our last night for dinner? And I was thinking, oh, we'll have something that's in the fridge for this penultimate one. Then we'll have like a Domino's or something on the last night. Then I realised that today is a penultimate night and I've already had my dinner.
What did you have, Caroline?
Baked beans, mashed potato and vegan fish fingers.
Go
Sorry,
in.
I'm swaying like that. I should make it my season. I didn't realise I was doing it. Oh, one more night after tonight and one more dinner to go. That's terrifying. That's all the boxes thus far. There is more stuff upstairs.
Go on,
Yeah, we've got a lot to get done tomorrow. I was going to go to work tomorrow, but I decided not to. Obviously,
obviously it's half
holiday,
term, Caroline's
yeah.
just not like...
Yeah, I'm not just skiving. But yeah, anyway, I'm checking in. A lot of packing to do still, but we're getting there slowly but surely. Well, today is our last day in the house. I say last day, it's not the last day, it's the last few hours. I did film last night. We got a Papa John's pizza, but the memory card has just told me it was corrupt, so there's no footage of that. But anyway, we got Papa John's pizza and it was just delicious, although we still do have quite a lot in the fridge. Is the pillows going in the bin? We don't need it anymore.
No.
Ellis, is it very messy? What's happening? Yeah, what's...
I see Granny.
You saw Granny?
Yeah.
When did you see Granny?
Outside.
Yeah, Ellis is going to nursery today. You going to nursery?
Yeah.
And then what happens after nursery? Where are we going?
Going
The new house.
yeah.
Yeah, so basically Ellis is going to go to nursery. The removal company are going to arrive. They're going to pack away all these boxes into a van, and then we're going to drive to the new house and then collect Ellis at some point and take him to the new house. Aren't we? That's the plan. The dishwasher is behind me doing its final clean. I've got one of those like cleaning thingies for it, so it's making a bit of a racket. So yeah, I've just made a crumpet now. Should we put some peanut butter on it?
Yeah.
Great, okay, bye. Hello, so we are almost done. Very empty house. The movers have gone to the cafe to get themselves some breakfast, or lunch in fact. I'm just waiting for the call from our solicitors now. It's good fun, just waiting. But yeah, the house is pretty much empty. Once it's all cleaned, my mum's here to help tidy up. Once it's all cleaned, I'll whiz around and do a quick house tour, empty house tour, you know? But yeah, okay. The waiting game is really boring.
And now the loft is empty.
Okay, we have had the call And now we are heading out. Just need to do a bit more hoovering and we're done. I'm just going to quickly show you the house very briefly. Just an empty house. So this was Ellis's room. As you can see, very empty now. All the pictures on the wall gone. That's Ellis's room. And then, whoops, out of Ellis's room is mine and Sean's room. We're leaving these giant wardrobes behind because they fit perfectly in this room and there's no way we'll be getting them out of here. Yes. And then the office is here. So again, obviously fitted wardrobes, chest of drawers and that there. The garden. There we go. And then obviously the bathroom, which is here. This is the living room fireplace, which Sean's dad installed this fireplace. Doesn't work, but it looks quite nice. We're leaving those boxes there. And yes, how awful is that? We see. And then this is the kitchen. Obviously, as you can tell, we're leaving all our white goods. Obviously, not completely finished tidying up here, but that is that done. The kitchen, and then around, we're leaving these stalls here. We don't need them in our new place. All our Disney books are gone, and yeah. The garden. You're in here. You're correct. Is it in our new home? Yeah?